Good afternoon to all the students of class 5. So student, today I will continue with the chapter number 11, religions and religious festivals. So students, today we will talk about the religion Christianity. So students, till the last class we have discussed about 4 religions, that is Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism, which all have originated in this country, that is India. But Christianity is a religion which has its origin in other country and it was brought from that country to India. So according to the history of Christianity, Christianity has come to India from outside. It came to India almost 2000 years ago when Saint Thomas, a disciple meaning follower of Jesus Christ, came to Kerala. So it was the first time that Christianity came to India along with Saint Thomas, a follower of Jesus Christ who came to Kerala. Later, when the Portuguese and the British came to India, more people came to know about Christianity and adopted Christianity. So today India has a large Christian population. Now it is a very popular religion in India as well. So students, Christianity began with the birth of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ was born to Mary and Joseph in Bethlehem near Jerusalem. So Christianity, the religion, was born with the birth of Jesus Christ, who was the preacher of Christianity. So Jesus Christ was born in Bethlehem to Mary and Joseph, and it was in Jerusalem, near Jerusalem. So Christianity mainly originated around Jerusalem and Palestine, which is Middle Eastern countries. This Jerusalem and Palestine are called Middle Eastern countries. But Christianity, though originated in these Middle Eastern countries, gained its most popularity in the Roman Empire. It was under the Roman Empire that Christianity gained the most popularity. Now students, the followers of Christianity are called Christians, and Christians follow the teachings of Jesus Christ. That is, Jesus Christ is the main propagator of Christianity, and it was on his teachings that the theories of Christianity are based, and all the Christians follow the teachings of Jesus Christ. Now student, some important theories of Christianity. One is, the follower of Christianity believe that there is only one God. That is, there is only one God, not more than one. God is one, and all human beings are equal before him. So there is no inequality in the eyes of God. All his children, all the human beings are equal. Jesus is believed to be the Son of God, and it is believed by Christian theories, that Jesus is one of the Son of God sent to earth.